Hey, don't scroll just yet. You're about to discover how an invisible hero makes your life easier every single day. No, it's not magic, it's artificial intelligence. You won't look at your day-to-day tasks the same way again. Start with your morning routine. Remember your alarm that automatically adjusts for traffic? That's AI keeping you on time. Then your smart coffee machine. It knows just how strong you like your brew after analyzing your patterns. Who needs a barista when AI has your back? Hop in your car. Hello, GPS? Your navigation app is powered by AI predicting the fastest routes and dodging that construction zone you didn't even know existed. Plus, catch up on your favorite podcast, expertly recommended by, you guessed it, another AI algorithm. Shopping? No problem. Your recommended items list and that discount you didn't expect? AI crunches data to get you what you want, often before you even know you want it. Feels like telepathy? Thank your digital genie. Next up, health monitoring. Your smartwatch tracking sleep, steps, even your stress levels? That's AI, silently cheering for your well-being. And don't forget those reminders to hydrate. Where would we be without them? On the entertainment front, AI curates a perfect playlist or streaming suggestions tailor-made just for you. Spoiler alert, the next show you binge-watch might be recommended by an AI that practically knows your taste better than you do. Creepy? Maybe. Convenient? Absolutely. Finally, meal prep. Intelligent ovens and recipe apps utilize AI to tailor recipes or cook times to make every dish, you guessed it, perfection on a plate. Before all this, you navigated life manually. Now, AI makes every step more efficient and fun. So, love it or fear it, there's no denying AI is the biggest silent partner in your life. Now here's your call to action. Like, comment, and share this video. Tell us, which AI innovation do you find most surprising or practical? Let's get the conversation started. See you in the comments.